So today in this video, we are going to see about the while loop statements. So it is used to iterate a part of a program repeatedly until that Boolean function is becoming true. So until the condition is becoming true, it will continuously iterate that loop and it will produce the output. So this is called as while loop. So here, once a condition is becoming false, what will happen is the loop will automatically stop. It will work similar to the repeated if statement, but the thing is, if the number of iteration is not fixed, we can go for the while loop function. If the number of iteration is fixed, we can go for if else statement. If it is not fixed, we can just go for the while loop. It is the similar between while loop and if else if loop. So now let's open the notepad and just see an example. How does it work with an iteration given and not given? Okay. So first thing is what we have to do. We have to assign the public class. So here I'm giving the name as while example. Okay. So what is the next step we have to do? We have to assign the public class void main. String args. So first thing I have to assign an integer value is equivalent to 1. So this is the condition I'm giving. If here while, now I'm setting the condition, if I is less than or equivalent to 10. So what it has to do, it has to enter the loop and it has to print the output as system dot out dot print ln the value of I. So once the condition is true, it has to print the value of I. So this is the condition we are giving. So and what is the next step it has to do is it has to auto increment. So I am just closing all the loops and saving my program. So here we are going to see an iteration based on a number fixed. So once the condition is getting true, what it will automatically do? It will automatically repeat the program and produce the output. So now let's see how it is going to run in the command prompt and get the output. So what is the first step? I have to move to the directory. So workspace is my directory. Yes, I have moved. So how we have to compile the program is Java C. My file name is while example. While example dot Java. If there is no error, a class file will be created, but we can see an error, right? So public class void main. Fine. So what is the mistake we have done is, it is not public class void main, it is public static void main. Clear? So this is the error that I have made. So now let's save the program and again move back to the command prompt. Now let's see if there is any errors. Okay, so now there is no errors. So what is the thing we have to do? We have to run the program. So Java while example. See, it has printed the numbers from 1 to 10. So this is the number of iteration is fixed. So up to 10, the condition will be getting true. So it is continuously repeating the loop. So once the condition is getting failed, the loop will stop. Now let's see how if you are not going to give the iteration value. The same while loop. So now let's go for the simple basic example. First thing is what we have to do. We have to assign the public class. Now we are going to see the example 2, right? So I'm just saving it as while example 2. And next step is what we have to do. Assign the public static void main. String args. So Here what we are going to do is we are not going to assign any iteration numbers. Okay. So what will happen? I'm just giving while is true. It has to enter the loop and just print the output as system dot out dot println infinitive while loop. It has to print the output as infinitive while loop. So this is the output statement I wanted to get printed. So I'm just closing the loop and saving my program. Okay, clear? Fine. Now let's save this program. And what we have to do? We have to compile and run the program. Moving back to the command prompt. So we have to use the command javac while example 2.java. So there is no errors. So now let's run the program java while example 2. See, it is continuously the infinitive while loop is getting printed. So if you want to stop this iteration, you have to print Control C. So you can see how many infinitive while loop has been printed. Clear? So if the iteration value is not fixed, it will continuously print the output. Hope you are clear about the while loop concept. In the next video, we will see the later things. Thank you. Have a nice day.